The Haunted House of Hiccups. A group of friends, Ali, Sarah, Bilal, and Mira, decide to explore the infamous horror house at the edge of town. The house is rumored to be cursed, but instead of screams, people always come out laughing uncontrollably. As they step inside, the door slams shut behind them with a dramatic boom, followed by a squeaky "sorry" from the door itself. A ghostly butler floats in, trying to scare them with a deep voice. "Leave this place, or face eternal doom." But every time he tries to sound scary, he hiccups mid-sentence. "Leave this place, hic, or face eternal doom." The friends burst out laughing, and the butler sulks, muttering, "I used to be terrifying before these hiccups." In the kitchen, pots and pans start flying around like poltergeists. Instead of attacking, they start cooking Maggie noodles and serving them to the group. Bilal says, "This is the best haunting ever. Free dinner." Sarah looks into a dusty mirror, expecting a scary reflection. Instead, her reflection starts mocking her dance moves from last weekend. The mirror laughs so hard it cracks itself, saying, "Girl, you really thought you were doing the moonwalk?" The group reaches the attic where the master ghost lives. He tries to unleash his terrifying roar, but instead sneezes so hard that cobwebs fly everywhere like party confetti. Mira shouts, "Bless you," and the ghost blushes embarrassed. The friends leave the house, not scared but giggling. The haunted house sighs, "I just wanted to be scary, but I guess being funny isn't so bad." They agree to come back every weekend for haunted comedy nights.